Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video guys, I'm going to do for you a quick review of the computer HP Probook 450 G6. This computer comes with a different CPU and it comes with Intel Core i7 or i5 or i3 and it has multiple variants. However, most of them are coming with the 7th generation Core Intel processors, i3 and higher. The display size, it's 15.6 inch full HD, and some of them are coming with HD 1366 by 768, and it comes most of the time also with a hard disk or an SSD, a hard disk of 500 gigabit or an SSD starting from 256, based on which variant you have chosen. In fact, for this computer series you have the possibility to choose the variant which you want, and based on that you pay more or less. The RAM, the computer supports up to 644 gigabit, and most cases it will come with a Windows 10 Home or Professional. Also, the battery is 45 watt hour with 3 cells in most cases, and the dimensions of the computer are 365 by 257 by 19. The computer is easily usable and you can easily upgrade your hard disk and your RAM, and it has also a new slot for inserting for putting an additional SSD, and you can dual boot with a normal or classical hard disk plus an SSD. Also, the computer weight is about 2 kilo and the body material is plastic, polycarbonate and aluminum. It has one USB type C and which is an HDMI plug, and it has 3 USB type A 3.1. Also, it has a card reader for SD, SDHC and SDXC, and it has Ethernet LAN port. Also, it supports Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, and it also supports Bluetooth, and it has audio jack. It contains also Fingerprint Reader, and it has an integrated web camera with 720p HD, and it has also backlight keyboard which comes optional in some of them, and it has also an integrated microphone. Some of them they don't have optical drive. However, you can always check online about different features based on as you can customize it online. The computer is really very nice and I like it. I have been using it for about now 2 months, and it's really very nice in terms of design and also not heavy, and I will give it 7 out of 10. If you have any questions about this computer, you can always write us a comment and we will reply to you, and if you have any issues you can always send us an email or leave us a comment and we will help you. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video.